my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story. A soft, gentle, beautiful story about kindness. There was a boy named Aman. Aman was not rich. Aman was not perfect. But Aman had a kind heart. One day, Aman was walking home from school. On the road, he saw an old man sitting alone. The man looked tired. The man looked weak. People walked past him, but nobody helped. Aman stopped. He went near him and asked softly, "Uncle, are you okay?" The old man smiled weakly and said, "I am hungry and tired." Aman looked at his own bag. He had only one lunchbox. It was his food. For 1 second, he thought about himself. But then, his heart spoke. He sat beside the old man. He opened his lunchbox. He shared his food. The old man's eyes filled with tears. He said, "Thank you, my child. You did something. Many people did not." Aman smiled gently and said, "It is okay, uncle. Kindness is free. We should use it." The old man looked at him and said something beautiful. "Listen, son, money is not always power. Strength is not always power. Kindness is real power." Aman felt warm inside. He felt happy. My friends, this story is for you too. You may not have everything. You may not be the strongest. You may not be the richest, but you always have kindness. Use it. Share it. Spread it.